This is a quick guide to getting Python downloaded and installed on your computer at home, because I know some of you have been having trouble with this. So first of all, you want to go to Google. You can use Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. I'm going to use Chrome. And just search for Python. And the second link down here, download Python. And what you're looking for is this one here, Python 2.75 Windows Installer. Now if I click on this in Chrome, Google Chrome, it will just download it down here. If you're doing this in Internet Explorer, it's more likely to ask you if you want to save it or just run it or open it. So you want to open it, run it, whatever. Now down here you can see that it's finished. So I'm just going to click on it once, and this is probably going to be the boring bit that I'll have to edit out because it's going to take a little while to install it. You might get a security warning, in which case just say yes, run it, it's fine, thank you very much. This is an option that you may or may not get. I'm going to get this because I have my family as different users. I'm going to say install it just for me. Select destination directory, just click next, that's fine, and click next again on this one. And this is the bit where I'm probably going to have to edit this out because it's going to get very boring if you're just watching this green line across here. It's asking me for permission, so I'm just going to say yes. And this is the bit where it's going to install the software onto your computer. And that's it, it's done. So I'm going to click finish, and now it's all done. So it's now on your computer. So I'm going to shut this down, and down in the bottom left hand corner you've probably got the start button here, and click on that, and it's going to be in all programs. And if I scroll down till I find Python, there it is. Click on that, and you'll see there's a number of options. This is the one that we use at school, idle, Python GUI. Okay, that's exactly the same one as we use at school, so click on that, and it should bring up this white screen that you will have used in your first computing science lesson. Remember that you need to click on File and New Window, and this is the area where you type in your code. Alright, so here's something very simple. Okay, and I can run that. Run module. I've got to save it first. Where shall I save it? I'll just save it anywhere. Delete me. And there we go. You can see over here, it's what you get when you've done this. So if I change that to Mr. Mason and then run it, you have to save it first, of course. Click OK, and over here you get the results. Okay. Now, in terms of your independent study, it is, if this comes back up, and we're going to type in Python Python the hard way. There we go. Like I say, don't be put off by the name. It's a silly name because it's actually the easy way. Learn Python the hard way. And we go to this bit here, read the free HTML online. Click on that. And this is where you'll find the exercises for your independent study. So the first one that was set was this one, exercise 2. And this is all about using these things here. They call them pound characters on this, but we know them as a hash, don't we? like in hashtags. And it tells you what these hashtags are for, and they're for creating comments. There we go. So what you can do is use your new Python program to type in everything in this box here into a new window on Python, which is this one here, where I was typing that text in earlier. And when you run that, it tells you what you should see. Okay, and don't worry about these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9s down here. There are different ways of typing in Python into different pieces of software, and this one just comes with lines to tell you, it gives you a number for each line basically. Okay, so have a go at this by typing this into your Python and see if you get the bit that comes down here, and see if you can work out why it's done what it's done. Okay, and that's it.